100 day trade setup for today. So yeah, what can we say about yesterday's price action? So we had a pretty big sell-off, and then we had the buyer step in straight away, and we kind of made a new high over the previous day. So pretty much every single day over the last how many days is that? Pretty much, let's say it's from here, no, from there. So that is 7 days that we've had continuing creating a newer high. I think the target here at the moment is this area here, which is 3402. So 3,400 is the target as far as I'm concerned. Have we hit it? Could be, but I think we're going to get another attempt at it at the moment. So that's pretty much what I'm looking at right now. Big move down, big move up, big confusion, and then you've still got the politicians arguing about how they're going to pay, or how they're going to create the subsidies for the COVID affected people. Yeah, lots of political noise at the moment. I think that's what's going to dominate this right now. Nobody really knows what's going on. So the move down was the panic because, we don't know, we're not going to get a relief package. And then we've got some noise from the feds, and that drove us back up, and now we're going sideways again. So yeah, I think I'm still favouring the move to the upside, at least to come and tag this at the moment, 3,400. After that, we'll have to wait and see what transpires. If any noise comes up, a positive around a stimulus package, expect this thing to shoot through and create a new high without too much resistance. But that's kind of the view that I've got at the moment. So you can see we consolidated yesterday, as I said to you, the triangle, and triangle broke to the upside, and away we went. So it was a great opportunity to get in long here, which was a massive 400 point trade, and that was 400 points basically for, well, I would have used that 190, so it's 200 points risk to 200 to 400 points gain, so it's a 2-to-1 trade, fairly decent. At the moment we're pretty much going sideways. Going sideways here. I do see there's a breakout level we're probably going to come and test here. So that's kind of the view that I have right now, is a move into this area to test, and then another attempt to the upside. Okay, so that's kind of my view at the moment. So it is still pretty early, so this is Asian session which is driving us around. Don't see any reason to be panicking about that. If I was sitting long at the moment, I definitely wouldn't be panicking about this. My stop would be here. Okay, so yeah, I think wait and see what transpires here, but I am expecting another move to the upside, so at least to 3,400. After that, we'll have to reassess and see what's going on. I think that's the ultimate target right now, is 3,400. Okay, I hope that helps you somewhat, and we will catch up with you later. Cheers for now.